We are flying with AirAsia and our airfare is 3,000 per pax. Reception. We booked their 2-bedroom apartment. Upon entering is their living area at the left, then the dining and kitchen at the right. They have an electric cooktop with range hood, microwave oven, rice cooker, refrigerator, electric water kettle, dinnerware set, silverware set, pots and pans where you can cook and enjoy the meal at your room. We didn't video the other room because we don't want to disturb, but it was a mirror layout as the master's bedroom with balcony, and their bathroom is the common toilet and bath. Common toilet and bath. Master's bedroom. Toilet and bath. Balcony. Roof deck swimming pool. We booked 2 nights for the price of 15,914.4.